we need a state. We need an ANIOMA state. When an ANIOMA state is created, it will redefine everything. That is the ultimate solution to all these efforts. Once an ANIOMA state is created, whether in southeast or south or northwest or north central, it doesn't matter. It will be an Igbo state. We can do what we want to do with it as Ndi IGBO.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes.
We can teach our language in schools, from nursery, secondary school, university. We can teach our tradition, we can teach our culture. Nwoko means Igbo Nwoko. Maybe you don't know that. Igbo is farm. Isn't it? What do they call Igbo? Igbo is Igbo.
Yes.
Anyway, Igbo is what?
Uboko.
So you are in the farm. You are in the farm. Literally, from what according to Kwani, you are in Uboko. You are in the farm. That's how this place was founded.
Uboko is forest in the
yes, we have forest too. Anything you call us Uboko is forest. You're welcome.
Thank you, my dear.
You're welcome. Thank you. Let me apologize that I've kept you waiting. I have another very serious political meeting in Asaba. I'm meeting with the 9 local government party chairmen and then the 96 or so ward chairmen. They're waiting for me now in Asaba. You know, I don't want to keep them waiting long. You know, so we'll just be very brief. Have you eaten? I told them to get your food ready. But Ndi is ready.
Yes.
What do you call Ndi? Ndi. So do I need to talk anymore?
No. You are start to the Yorubas.
Let me say that one thing that you all have in common is the passion, same passion as I have. So I've been watching your programs, I've been reading, and it's time for us now to come together. You know, you've done so much on your own, I've done so much on my own, but we need to work in synergy. They can't do more than that. Thank you. Look, I have Benin friends, and I know they're tired. You know, because like this, the story of the tortoise, the story of Mbeko. I'm sure it's Mbeko everywhere. It's a fable. Fable that Mbeko runs faster, or Mbeko will always get to that destination before even the isn't it? Maybe it's true, I don't know. But the fact remains that this whatever stories you've told us is we understand the reason why those stories were told. But must we continue in the same path?
No, there must be a detail.
As I said elsewhere, you know, I'm not just a lawyer. I also have a degree in history. So I understand history. I've done some studies, a lot of studies. I don't just talk. I don't jump into something that I don't know or convince about. And we have a lot to offer our people, and that's guidance. To guide them in the right path, for them to begin to appreciate who we are. You know? But beyond that, we need a state. We need an ANIOMA state. When an ANIOMA state is created, it will redefine everything. That is the ultimate solution to all these efforts. Once an ANIOMA state is created, Whether in southeast or south or northwest or north central, it doesn't matter. It will be an Igbo state.
Pure.
We can do what we want to do with it as Ndi IGBO.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
We can teach our language in schools, from nursery, secondary school, university. We can teach our tradition, we can teach our culture. We can, look, my 20-year-old son in England is called ANIOMA. I'm sure you don't know this. 20-year-old son, his name is ANIOMA. My passion for ANIOMA is inestimable.
We have seen that, sir.
When somebody from TVC was here, was it yesterday or 2 days ago? Yes, and did you see her? Have you seen her?
Prince.
The TVC. Okay, you must talk with her.
Prince.
In fact, I want about 5 of you.
Okay.
You know, it was, you know, TVC is Tinubu's channel.
yes.
And according to the president, that's all he watches. He doesn't watch it. So he actually asked that his team should come here and do a documentary about the ANIOMA people.
Wow. Okay.
So they came in 2 days ago, or yesterday, and they've been talking to some people, they're talking to some kings, but you are the icing on the cake.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. You know, your mom, you, in fact, you all look the same. All of you, also for ANIOMA State creation,
Yes, sir.
has taken a new life. With my effort in National Assembly through a very simple bill. And by the way, the banking solution is very obvious. By the time we are done with the referendum, done with everything, done with the president said he will call for a meeting of governors. He will do the 2/3 requirement, not me.
Okay.
He will do that. He will call the governors and speakers and for the endorsement. But after that, there will be an enlarged meeting of ANIOMA people, leaders, stakeholders, politicians, to discuss finally the issue of zoning, if it's an issue. For me, it's not an issue.
It's not.
But for those who feel that it's an issue, they will give them the opportunity to address the president and his people as to why they want it here and not there. I'm sure for majority of us here, all we just want is what? Regardless of the zoning. So the boundary adjustment will be done at the right time.
In a banking.
The banking.
Thank you, sir.
And other areas. Because never listen, the madman is I'm not a madman. The madman is it was there. And the way it's burning, that's what that was. So this whole desire for self-determination has caught up everywhere.
Yes, sir.
It's not only ANIOMA. Equally people are talking.
Yes, sir. They were
People are talking.
They were around.
Even Uromi people are talking. They say they are not Beninese. Have you not heard this? You know?
They saw the man you are doing.
I go to Kwara, they are talking.
Yes.
Suddenly there is this awareness
Yes.
about self-determination. But if all I can tell you that I believe if there's one state that will be created to be ANIOMA state.
Yes.
That's what we're doing now, because it's all about, it's a process. And that battle has been won, because to have 91 senators, to have, 91 senators signing, not just talking about it, but signing a document that will support the creation of ANIOMA state. And this includes those from the northern part of
Yes.
And even the Benin.
the northern part of Nigeria. I need that emotion. The fact is that they all support the creation of ANIOMA state because they see it as the equity state.
Yes.
The equity state for Ndi IGBO. Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
And that's it. We have all that it takes. If you really understand the need for additional recognition of
Zoning.
no, it's not zoning, of look,
Equity state.
we have
Equality.
the resources. I'm talking about the resources.
Yeah.
We are strong. We are strong in sports. We are strong in
Agriculture.
Agriculture.
We are strong in
Well,
neighborhoods.
Entertainment.
We are strong in the media. We are strong in the banking. We are strong in oil and
You know, every facet. Every
we
facet.
are strong in mining, coal and
Yes.
whatever.
Graphite.
Ozanogogo, what did they mine again?
Unzu.
So we have a lot. It's not the average kind of state that we're talking about. You know, I'm sure I don't need to lecture you guys. You guys should be the one lecturing me. You lectured me. I saw. I mean, I'm. Whatever I do, I want to get to where you guys are talking, and I am so happy.
Wow.
I'm so happy that you have made your effort. Let me say, Ovunomu. Suddenly, Omu is now the general.
Do you know, I want to tell you something today. I was not writing before. I was kind of dormant. Then I said to myself, what will I do? Our distinguished senator is fighting a fight. And as an there are some ideas I need to bring that will make it. I know that with him, ANIOMA State is a show. Because a lot of persons have gone to Senate severally and they never achieved anything. Pardon me for that statement anyway, but it is the truth. But our distinguished senator entered, and what he did is, I don't know, it's massive.
Massive.
With the pressure of our- I was also, sometimes